creating a Christmas intro to celebrate your community. If y'all don't know me, I am a huge fan of Christmas. I have an intro I play every morning at the start of my stream. So a month before Christmas, I get my community to send pictures in so I can create a brand new Christmas intro featuring my community.
From the dawn of time we came, moving silently down through the centuries, living many secret lives, struggling to reach the time of the gathering, when the few who remain will battle to the last. No one has ever known we were among you, until now.
Here we are, born to be kings.
Merry Christmas!
If you're at a grocery store and a Karen is acting up, you'd be like, listen, Karen, it's Christmas, bitch. Calm down.
Merry Christmas, bitch!
TwitchCon. We're here at TwitchCon. Oh my God, I'm making a video live. Look at all these people. We're gonna have an amazing time today. Yeah, let's get in. Let's get in.